Dear students, today let us continue with the 10th lesson, our material heritage. In this lesson, let us discuss about some of the famous architecture, that is Mysore Palace. M-Y-S-O-R-E, Mysore, P-A-L-S-E, Mysore Palace. So, I think everyone know about this, I think, Mysore Palace. Did you heard the name Mysore? Yes, sir? Everyone know, I think. You heard also, you might know about it also, I think, Mysore Palace. So, it is one of the famous, so, all over the world. Yes or no? Not only here, it is famous, very famous in the South India especially. Yes or no? Here, Mysore Palace is situated in Mysore in Karnataka. This famous place was first built in the 14th century and has been broken and rebuilt many times. So, this Mysore Palace, it was built in the 14th century. It was built in 14th century. And this temple had been broken and rebuilt many times. Means it has been broken and it has rebuilt many times, this palace. And the palace is a blend of Hindu, Muslims and Western architecture, and it is built from stone and has 3 stories with deep pink marble domes and a tower. The palace has carved rooms, a royal wedding hall, temples, public court, army yard, etc. Dussehra festival has been celebrated at the place for the last 200 years. During the festival, the entire palace is lit up by the beautiful light and many artists perform at the palace. So what happens here? In this Mysore Palace, during the time of Dasara, they celebrated 10 days. 10 days and it is what you call it as? Especially many people from all over the places, they come to this place to see that, to see the festival, to enjoy the festival. They come to Mysore Palace. And here what happens here means, in the Mysore Palace, when they are celebrating the Dasara festival, there they celebrate it more grandly. Chana grand ga celebrate chestar akkada. So here what happens here, during the time of Dasara, here most of them they show their performances there. అక్కడ కొన్ని performances అనేది చూస్తారన్నమాట. They show their performances and it is very famous also here. So that is the reason here most of the people from different regions, they come to Mysore Palace to enjoy the festival Dasara. And this is all about Mysore Palace. Next we will move to the another architecture, that is Humayun's tomb. H-U-M-A-Y-U-N-S. M-A-Y-U-N-S. Humayun's tomb. T-O-M-B. Tomb. Humayun's tomb. Yeah, Humayun's tomb means Humayun was a Mughal king. Humayun, the name Humayun is one of the Mughal king. He is one of the Mughal king and the father of the famous emperor Akbar. Here Humayun is the father of the famous emperor Akbar. Here Akbar's father name is Humayun. And after the death of Humayun, his wife Haji Begum started the construction of this tomb in the 16th century in Delhi. So here where is this Humayun tomb? This Humayun tomb is at Delhi. It is in Delhi. Means after the death of Humayun, here his wife named Haji Begum, she started to construct this tomb, Humayun's tomb, in the 16th century. So when they constructed in 16th century. C-E-N-T-O-R-Y century. 16th century. And a Persian architecture was especially invited from Afghanistan to design the structure. Here to design the structure, a special artisans they invented. So it is from Persian artist from Afghanistan. And this tomb is built with the red sandstone in the middle of a square garden. This sandstone is built with the red sandstone in the middle of a square garden, and it has Char Bagh Garden. So the name of the garden is what? Char Bagh Garden. C-H-A-R BAGH. Charbagh Garden. GARDEN. Charbagh Gardens. With water channels running at the center. At the center you can see the water. Water running at the center of the garden. You can see here, just I'll show you the picture here. Here you can see here water, how the water is running at the center here. See from up. Yes or no? The water is running at the center. Yes, several rulers of the Mughal kingdom are buried in this tomb. Yes, several rulers of the Mughal kingdom, they are buried in this tomb. And Humayun's tomb is now a World Heritage Site. Humayun's tomb, it is now one of the World Heritage Site also.